Are you unemployed, or do you want double income by learning a lifetime repair skill? We train you to become an Apple, Samsung, or smart devices technician. We provide you all resources, such as suite full of parts, tools, machines. You can earn from average £1,500 to £3,000 plus part-time easily. You will work at your own pace and be your own boss. We will be giving 2 levels of training: Smart Technician Level 1 and Master Technician Level 2. In Level 1 training, you will learn step by step to replace new display screen, glass and LCD, battery and charging port to any iPhone, iPad, Samsung and others. Level 2 will leverage your skills to micro soldering to repair circuit and fix any deep issues in the devices. You will do once lifetime affordable investment to join our technician training group today to change your future. Visit our website for further information: www.irepairman.co.uk/training. Training at irepairman.co.uk. 0208 728 5633. London.